So I'll show you how to use a Nespresso machine to use the coffee with using the coffee pot. So these are the coffee pots. They come in different colors and sizes depending on the strong or the flavors that you need. So what you do is first you remove this. You can as well put the water through this tube. Just pour some water. Close the lid. Then you have to take this pot and put it inside. There's a hole inside, so you need to put it. But what happens is that if I put it through this and close, it becomes hard for me to close the lid. So what you can do is remove this, take the pot and put it from the bottom so it sits comfortably inside, and then this like this, insert it inside, keep this there, put your cup below. So you close it, switch on the switch, and press this button over here. The thing starts blinking, so just let it blink for a while. Stops blinking, just press here. You can hear this sound, and then the coffee starts pouring down. So this is how it's done. It's this simple. The only glitch is that if you put the pot through the top of this, it might be a little hard for you to insert. So just remove this and put it inside like the ones I just showed you.